9 years. That's how long it took humanity's fastest spacecraft just to fly past Pluto. Not land, not orbit, fly past. And that was the easy part. Pluto sits 5.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. NASA's New Horizons was the fastest spacecraft ever launched, and it still needed almost a decade to get there. It couldn't even slow down to enter orbit. It just screamed past and grabbed what data it could. What it found broke the old picture of Pluto completely. Mountains built from water ice, a nitrogen glacier the size of a small country, signs of active geology, maybe even a hidden ocean underneath the surface. A future mission built to actually orbit Pluto, not just fly by, almost 28 years just to arrive. That's the tax deep space charges before the science even starts. Now stretch that same problem to our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, 4.25 light-years away, roughly 40 trillion kilometers. It has a planet sitting in the habitable zone, Proxima b. Using New Horizons level technology, getting there would take about 78,000 years, longer than human civilization has existed on Earth. To make that trip inside a human lifetime, we'd need something far beyond chemical rockets. Nuclear propulsion, fusion drives, antimatter engines, sails pushed by lasers instead of fuel. The closest real plan on the table is Breakthrough Starshot, tiny probes pushed by ground-based lasers to roughly 20% the speed of light. Arrival time, 20 to 25 years. Then another 4 years just waiting for the images to reach us. Reaching another world was never really the hard part. Surviving the emptiness between them is. Subscribe if you want to keep exploring the edges of what we actually know. Comment below, would you take a one-way trip to Proxima b, knowing you'd never come back? Next time, we're leaving the solar system's plane entirely, because there's something sitting above it, and below it, that most people never think to ask about.